The acting Vice-Chancellor, Professor Samuel Odewumi, cordially invites the university community and the general public to the 133rd Inaugural Lecture of the University of Uyo to be delivered by Jude Efiom Okokon, a Professor of Pharmacology and Toxicology, Department Pharmacology and Toxicology, Faculty of Pharmacy, University of Uyo. Professor Jude Efiom Okokon is a distinguished professor of pharmacology and toxicology. His research bridges ethnopharmacology and natural product science with over 270 peer-reviewed articles, chapters in major textbooks, and a Google Scholar Age Index of 37 with more than 4,200 citations. He is the highest ranked and most cited researcher at the University of Uyo. His work validates local medicinal plants for anti-cancer, anti-malarial, anti-diabetic, and anti-inflammatory potential, isolating active compounds and revealing their mechanisms of action. He holds degrees from the University of Calabar and a PhD from the University of Uyo. He completed prestigious postdoctoral fellowships at the International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology (ICGEB), New Delhi, India, and International Center for Chemical and Biological Sciences (ICCBS), University of Karachi, Pakistan, specializing in anti-cancer and anti-malarial drug development. With 20+ years of teaching, 18 MSc and 10 PhD supervisions, and membership in West Africa Society of Pharmacology (WAPS) and Nigerian Society for Pharmacology and Experimental Therapeutics (NISPET), Professor Okokon stands at the forefront of Nigerian medical science. Join us as he delivers his inaugural lecture and the 133rd inaugural lecture of the university, titled Bioprospecting: The Therapeutic Treasures in Plants, the Ancestral Wisdom and Scientific Innovations for Sustainable Healthcare and Autarky. Date: Thursday, May 14th, 2026. Time: 3 p.m. prompt. Venue: 1000-seater TETFund Auditorium, University of Uyo Main Campus, Waniba Road, Uyo. Guests are please requested to be seated by 2:45 p.m. Mrs. Blossom Okori, Registrar and Secretary to Senate. Announcer.